Websites that will pay you to read emails. Inbox Pays. Inboxpays.com is a website that will pay you to perform simple tasks. Among the tasks are, of course, reading emails. This site is excellent with its consistency. You will receive emails that pay daily. There is no way you will get to the end of the day empty-handed. On average, the emails will pay you 25 cents. The emails will often redirect you to websites, or sometimes invite you to offers. Other than reading emails, you can make money by taking surveys, referring friends, and playing games. Once you accumulate $25, you can withdraw your money via PayPal. Inbox Dollars. Inboxdollars.com is one of the most popular get-paid-to sites. If you have been looking for ways to make money online, Inbox Dollars is a great way to get paid to read emails. Inbox Dollars will send emails from different companies to your inbox. Your task will be to open and read these emails and wait for your money. You will need to inform your email provider that emails from Inbox Dollars are safe. Otherwise, the emails will go straight to your spam box. You will not be receiving these emails daily though. Besides, you can still make money on Inbox Dollars by taking paid surveys, shopping online and searching the internet. Signing up on this site will earn you $5. They have a payout threshold is $30 and you can access your funds via PayPal, gift cards or check. The portal Inbox Dollars can be used to make money via a computer or a mobile phone. This way, you can get paid to read emails while on the move. Vindale Research. With Vindale.com, as long as you open the email, your account will receive some cash. With this website, you will love that you do not have to understand a complicated point system. You will earn real money for reading the emails. They have a payout threshold of $50. With consistency, you can accumulate this amount pretty fast. Once you reach the withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw via PayPal. To boost your earnings on this platform, you can also take paid surveys, watch videos, referring friends, and answer polls. For every friend you refer, you will receive $5. Daily Rewards. DailyRewards.com is a Canadian paid surveys website operated by Cotter Web Enterprises that will pay you to read emails. Daily Rewards has been paying its members to perform simple tasks since 2005. Other than reading emails, you can make some money by watching videos, taking paid surveys, shopping via their portal, playing games, and making referrals. They have a payout threshold of $10. You can only access your earnings via PayPal. Opinion.inn. Opinion.com is a get-paid site that will pay you $10 as a welcome bonus. After you sign up, you will receive survey invitation emails and get paid for your feedback. According to the info on the website, the pay is anywhere between $1 up to $100 depending on the requirement of the research. There is also a monthly draw of $500 if you are an active member and have attempted at least 5 surveys in that month. There are several other ways you can make money on this platform. These include taking paid surveys, referring friends, participating in forum discussions and playing games. Opinion pays its members via PayPal. They are looking for new members from United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and India. Swagbucks. Swagbucks.com is a get-paid-to site that has millions of users. It is one of the most popular get-paid-to sites. One of the ways Swagbuck members make money is by reading emails. They will send you emails, which by reading, you will earn some redeemable points. Other than reading emails, Swagbucks will pay you to take paid surveys, watch videos, shop via their portal, search the internet, and play games. You can withdraw your money via PayPal, or choose one of their gift cards. The portal Swagbucks can be accessed via mobile as well. They have an app that is available for both iOS and Android. Unique Rewards. UniqueRewards.com is another fantastic get-paid-to website. It accepts residents from United States of America and Canada. Other than reading emails, You will make $5 every time a referral signs up using your affiliate link. Furthermore, you can make some cash by visiting sites, playing games, watching videos, clicking on ads and shopping via their portal. You can withdraw your money via PayPal once you hit their payout threshold of $20. Cash Crate. CashCrate.com is another popular get-paid-to website you should check out. Other than reading emails, you can earn money taking surveys, referring friends, watching videos and taking offers. They also offer great cash back offers to their members. They only accept residents from United States. You must be 13 years old and above to get approved. They pay monthly, via a check. You will only receive your monthly payment if you have $10 or more in your account. Small Business Knowledge Center. SBKcenter.com, Small Business Knowledge Center, is a market research company that pays its members to read and forward their emails. It hires small business owners, consumers, and self-employed persons based in the United States. You need to be 18 years old and above to get accepted. They do not operate like the rest of the companies presented here. Small Business Knowledge will pay you for those emails you consider junk. They will require you to forward to them those junk emails. They will sell this information to companies. The companies use this information to upgrade their marketing strategies. According to the Small Business Knowledge Center, its members make approximately $20 every 6 to 10 weeks. This pay is a sure way to encourage you to go through your emails and sort out the junk. You can also earn some additional cash by referring friends. MyPoints. MyPoints.com is another legit site that would pay you to read emails. They accept residents of Canada and the United States of America. You also need to be 13 years old and above to get approved. With this company, if you follow their call actions, such as clicking on a link attached in the emails or responding to the emails, you earn extra money. So make sure to follow those extra steps. You can either withdraw your cash via PayPal or go for the gift cards. You need to accumulate at least $25 to withdraw via PayPal, and $5 to get a gift card. Other than reading emails, you can earn points by referring friends, play games, watching videos and shop online. That was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel and in the comment section below let us know what you think about this video.